Namaste. My name is Rinesh Walaki and I am teaching chemistry for JEE and NEET. So today I am going to give you some insight on the topic, can we create gold, that is whose scientific name is aurum, from another element just by transferring the electrons. So the answer is no. We cannot transform any element or other element into the gold element by just transferring of electrons. For this, we should have some basic sense or basic knowledge about the structure of atom. If we look at any atom in general, there are three. It is made up of three subatomic particles. First is proton, second is neutron, and third is electron. So these are the three subatomic particles from which a atom is generally made. So the protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus at the center of the atom. Okay, and this is known as the nucleus of the atom, and the electron revolves around the nucleus, or they are present outside the nucleus, hence they are also known as extra nuclear particles. So the any atom is made up of this electron, protons and neutrons. Now how to identify the element? Now for this we look at the number of protons, or we can say the atomic number. So the identity of any element is the number of proton present inside its nucleus. For example, if we found one atom and in that atom we find one nucleus, in that we find one proton, it means it is a hydrogen atom. If in a nucleus of a certain atom we find 6 proton inside it, so we say that it is the atom of the carbon. Okay, similarly, how to know whether a given element or an atom of a given element is a gold? So the atomic number of gold is 79. So if we found the 79 protons inside the nucleus of an atom, we mean that it is the atom of the gold. Okay, so like this way, by looking at the number of protons, we can identify any element. Okay, now the coming back to the question, that is, can we transform these other elements into the gold just by transferring the electrons? Okay, now for this we should know that the movement of electrons is usually associated with the chemical reactions. In the chemical reactions, electrons are being transferred or they are shared. Okay, so when they form two different elements forms a compound, so there is a transfer of electrons, or electrons are shared between them to form a compound. So by just transferring the electrons, we can combine two elements into some different compound. Okay, but we cannot change the basic identity of the elements. For example, hydrogen and oxygen, they both react to give us the water. Okay, so in water there is a hydrogen atom and oxygen atom, both are present, because in chemical reaction only the electrons are involved, protons are not involved at all. So okay, so the number of protons in both of the atoms remain intact. So the combination of hydrogen atom and oxygen atom result in the formation of water. Okay, so to transform one element into another element, we have to change its number of protons. If we are able to change the number of protons, then we can transform any element into some other element. For example, if the atomic number of gold is 79, okay, so we have mercury with atomic number 80, so it has one more proton than gold. Okay, so the element changes now. If an element has 80 protons inside the nucleus, so it is the mercury. So if by any process, if we are able to remove that one proton from the nucleus, it will be transformed into the gold atom. Okay, so if we want to transform the element, just we have to transform the one element into another element, we need to change the number of protons. Okay, by transfer of electrons, we can convert an atom into ions. Okay, for example, gold has 79 protons and 79 electrons. So if we are able to transfer the electrons, for example, if I am able to transfer 2 electrons from gold into some other element, 2 electrons, so it will result into the cation of the gold. Okay, so by transferring of electrons, we transform the same atom into its ionic form, but we cannot change that element. Okay, so now if we want to change the gold, some other element into the gold, so we have to change the number of protons. This can be achieved by using the nuclear reactions, because in nuclear reactions we can change the number of protons inside the nucleus. So by changing the number of protons, we can convert that element into gold. For example, if we have lead with us whose atomic number is 92. Okay, so if we bombard that nucleus of lead by strong or accelerating neutrons, when it is bombarded, so it will result in the loss of 4 protons, that will be resulting in the loss of 3 protons, which will result into total number of proton inside the nucleus 79. So it becomes the gold. Okay, so by doing the nuclear radioactivity, we can transform the elements from one form to another, because we are changing here the number of protons. Okay, similarly, we have platinum whose atomic number is 78. So by nuclear reactions, if we add one proton inside the nucleus of platinum, it will be converted to the gold. Similarly, we have mercury who have 80 protons inside the nucleus. So if by some mechanism or by nuclear reactions, if we are able to remove one proton from the nucleus of mercury atom, it will be converted into the gold. So by the nuclear reactions, we can transform any element into gold by changing their atomic number. But the process is very costly. So the cost of making gold by the nuclear reactions is a very costly, and it is approximately more than the cost of the gold. Okay, also the process is very dangerous because it involves the nuclear radiations. Okay, and also we should note that the product of a nuclear reaction is mostly a radioactive element. So if we prepare the gold by this method, the gold is also now the gold will act as a radioactive element, and which will show a radioactivity decay transferring into some another element to stabilize its nucleus. Okay, so by just transferring of electrons, we can change element into its ionic form, but not to some other element. So to change another element into gold, we should change the number of protons. Okay, so this was about the topic. Thank you.